Do not with me. Huwag na tayo magbulaan dito. I'm saying this without excuses. No apologies, no nothing. You like to hear it? Fine. If you don't, so be it. That's the truth. Huwag tayong alam ninyo yan. They abound, the vultures, pretending to be journalists.
It classifies Filipino journalists into three: crusaders, mouthpieces, and low-life journalists who dig up dirt, then demand money in exchange for keeping their mouths shut. He does not reveal exact plans about fighting the alarming rate of media killings in the Philippines.
The hell, I do not want publicity, you know that. It would be good if you disappear and I'll just stick with the Rocky Ignacio. I've known her since when? Well, during Marcos's time. He was posing a microphone over my face. To my mouth. Ginanon ko, bakit mo pinapakain mo yung... Siya pa ang galit. Mag-boycott na kayo. As a matter of fact, I'm urging you, make this trip the last in Davao City. I do not care if there's nobody covering me. You know very well that before I ran for president, nobody knew me or knows my face. Why? You know, Manila guys, I hate giving interviews. That's why I would be content with a camera, a cell phone taking pictures of me when Huwag kayong pumunta, and that is make it the first time in the history of this republic. Do not cover me. Total, nandyan yung si Rocky sa Malacanang Press. We have our own. So I'll just tell the people that if you want to see the coverage, what's your, anong istasyon ninyo, Rocky? PTV4. Oh, everybody's listening. PTV4 na lang kayo makinig. I'm asking you guys, do not ever come back. And if I get to live the day when I become, if God would make me still alive, breathing here, I would only want to say a few. Tama na yun sa akin yung threatening. Sinasabi ko sa hindi talaga nila nakuha pala kayong magago kayo. I said, I am ready to lose the presidency. Now, or my honor, not fuck with me. Do not put into printed words. You review the tapes of what I said. Enough was given as a foundation. And I was just said, you know, most of the time, yung mga crusaders, yung first class, the number one category, they seldom die because their opinions are respected and they are righteous. The second one, yung mga publicists, the mouthpiece of some politicians or almost all of the politicians of it, medyo ano lang yan sila. But the third one, yung extortionists, the vultures of journalism, yan ang maraming namamatay. Eh kung tinamaan kayo niyan, if you are a vulture of journalism today, but that's not my problem, you know. Now if you are mad, I'm telling the networks, do not come here, I do not need you. Just go around and tell the people na this is the program of government and you would know it from your... And I would ask the cabinet to avoid you. If you want to say something, go to Rocky Ignacio. You, Rocky Ignacio, you come to me because I have something to say. Eh, alam pa ako maghanap sa'yo dyan sa Malacanang. No. As a matter of fact, I'm challenging you guys. Kill journalism, stop journalism in this country.